Hello all, this is Krishna holding the roll number 99. We are the team 4 members who come up with the project named Paralympic Message Dispatcher. So this Paralympic Message Dispatcher is mainly based on the paralyzed people. We come across many hospitals and NGOs serving these paralyzed people who have the most difficult activity, that is communication. So communication plays a major role in their life. It is very difficult for the people to communicate with each other. So for providing the ease of communication, we developed this device, which is in the form of a wristband. So very normal tools are used despite of using the sophisticated tools like accelerometer and heart rate sensor. So this helps in paralyzed people to communicate with each other by simply moving some gestures. So there are different kinds of gestures with respective notifications sent to the concerned person. The main idea of the Paralympic Message Dispatcher is to provide the communication with ease.
This is Avishkar. My roll number is 6692. Now I am going to tell about existing solutions of our project. First one is eye tracking systems. These systems help people to communicate by tracking their eye movements. These are more expensive compared to other existing solutions. And next one is switch-based communication devices. These devices based on switches or buttons that users can activate for communication, and these systems cannot provide enough flexibility for users. And next one is speech generating device. These devices convert speech to text type, and these devices may not be effective for some people who cannot type or who cannot talk. And next one is picture exchange communication systems. These systems help to communicate by using pictures or symbols. And next one is voice recognition system. These systems help to people to communicate by their voice, and these will not be effective for if there is so much of noise.
Hello everyone, this is Lokesh. I am here to explain about the gaps in existing solution. Firstly, limited flexibility. Secondly, next, cost and accessibility are very high, and cost is very high in these existing solutions, and our product is very cheaper than compared to those products. I'll explain I'll explain about the components of the device. Firstly, we use the Node MCU, which is the base of our project. Usually, we use this Node MCU to transmit the message detected from the sensors to the user. Then we use the sensors, firstly heartbeat sensor, which is used to track the heart rate of the customer. Next we use the accelerometer, which is used to detect the movement. Then we have a battery, and then we have some cloth.
This is Anirudh, and I am here to explain the working of the project. We actually included Node MCU and accelerometer sensor. So if we move it towards up like this, so we'll get a notification called I am hungry. And if we move it sideways, we tilt it like this, then we get a notification called please bring me water. We can also further customize this notifications by adding more gestures. We can add gestures like moving our wrist down, or moving our wrist sideways, tilting it sideways, and further more complicated gestures using the accelerometer. And we also have the Max 30102 sensor, heart rate pulse oximeter sensor. In that we use it to measure. We use to measure the heart rate of the customer. So if the heart rate falls below 40 BPM, beats per minute, and or else if it exceeds 130 beats per minute, then a heart rate notification will be sent to the doctor, and also to the near ones, or the nearby people who are registered in the app, in the code.
My name is Harshita, and my roll number is 22H51A6693. And now I am here to tell about the conclusion of our project. So we made a device called Paralympic Message Dispatcher, which dispatches the message according to the requirements of the paralyzed people. Then it will be monitoring 24/7, and it will be like wristband, which is kept to the paralyzed people. Like the advantages is like the paralyzed people can
communicate with the family members like without using communications, and this device will monitor him for 24/7. Like it will be